Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to add transitions between clips in CapCut. It's really quick and simple, so let's get to it. First, let's open our app, and as you can see, I already have a project opened. Now transitions are often preferred between the switch of two clips. So to add your transition, you have to have those two clips side by side, or you can also do this by splitting a single clip, and I can show this to you as an example. Now as you noticed, after I split the clip, there's a small white box between the two clips. It's where you select your transition. Click on the box and it will show you all the transitions that are available. Now some of the transitions are for Pro subscription, which if you want to you can upgrade your CapCut to Pro and use this. But there are, as you can see, a lot of free transitions as well. Select the one you like. You can adjust for how long the transition will last and then click on the tick mark. And here your transition is placed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.